In this video, we'll show you how to use Kaspersky Safe Kids to monitor your child's web activity and shield them from harmful websites and apps. To use this feature, open the Kaspersky Safe Kids app on your mobile device in parent mode and tap on Settings. You can activate website filtration in your child's search results and get notified if they try searching for content that might be harmful or distressing. You can also limit their access to websites on a particular topic or manually enter the addresses of websites you don't want your child to visit. When you activate this feature, and depending on the exact settings you choose, your child will see either a warning message or a blocked message when they try to access a website that you've forbidden. Kaspersky Safe Kids also lets you track your child's activity on social networks. To activate this feature, open your browser, go to My Kaspersky, and log into your account. Go to the Kids tab, select Social Networks menu, then Settings. Activate the feature and click Save. Now, enter the email address linked to your child's Facebook account and accept the statement to confirm you've understood everything. Then, ask your child to open on their device the message that's been sent to their email. Click Turn on Protection and sign into their Facebook account. That's it! Now in the Reports section, you will be able to view posts on your child's timeline and find out about changes to their number of friends. Learn more about Kaspersky Safe Kids at support.kaspersky.com.